Wow, Emma, you look stunning.
Aw, you are super handsome too, Jack. The party is amazing tonight. The decorations are gorgeous. I love this vibe.
Totally. It feels like the entire year is just ready to be forgotten.
Oh my, don't say that. It was a really good year for me.
Well, for me, it was a bit crazy, but hey, let's toast to the new beginnings, shall we?
Happy New Year, Jack. Cheers to a fresh start. New year, new me.
Yeah, I definitely need to work on my gym routine this year.
I knew it. You always say that every year, Jack.
Hey, don't judge. I'm serious this time. I will get fit.
Oh, I'll believe it when I see it, boy, but okay. Let's see if you can actually do it.
And what about you, huh? What's your New Year's goal?
Oh, I want to eat healthier, sleep earlier, and stop procrastinating.
That sounds like a good plan.
I believe it's harder than it sounds.
I'm sure you'll do great. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay?
Oh, I won't, but we need to be a little serious to get things done, right? That goes for you and your gym plan as well.
All right, thank you for your advice. I should really get serious with this. But for now, let's enjoy the night.
All right. Cheers to the new year, new goals, and new memories.
Cheers to that. May this year be full of laughter and love.
Right. And to more amazing parties like this one.
Same here, Emma. Here's to more fun, more parties, and more success in the new year.
Absolutely. Happy New Year, Jack.
Happy New Year, Emma. Sophie, what else do we need for the year-end party? What do you think about some snacks?
Oh, definitely. We can't have a party without chips and dips. How about some salsa, too?
Good idea. Let's grab some salsa. Oh, and maybe some cheese platters, too? They're always a hit. Last time, Bennett finished almost half the cheese board.
He was obsessed. And don't forget the drinks. We need 2 packs of sparkling water and soda.
Got it. Oh, look, they have these cute New Year's Eve themed cans. Should we grab a set?
Oh my gosh, yes! They'll be perfect for our party.
All right, 2 packs. Hey, do you think we should get some traditional food for good luck, like dumplings?
Yes, dumplings are a must for the new year. They are so easy to serve.
Great, let's grab some dumplings then. Yum!
All right, I think we have enough food for the year-end party. Now let's head to the decorations aisle. I really want the house to look amazing.
Yes, I'm excited for the decorations. Oh, they have the combo of red and gold right here.
Oh, exactly what we need. Red is lucky, and gold looks so festive.
I agree. Let's get these red flowers and gold fairy lights.
Perfect. And let's get some candles too, for a warm atmosphere.
Good call. Now let's finish up with the party supplies. We need some balloons and confetti.
Oh, I love confetti, but we need a lot. Lots of colors to make it pop.
All right, I'll grab the biggest pack of confetti. Done. Now I think we're ready for the best New Year's Eve party ever.
Absolutely. It's going to be amazing. My, I can't wait. I'm so excited, Tom. Can you help me decorate the house later?
Anything for you, darling. Let's make this party the best they have ever had.
Oh my, look at the crowd. It's huge.
Yes, darling. This show has been a tradition of our town for so many years now. It always attracts so many people.
Do you remember the last year's show, Grandma? They were so creative with the firework on the ocean theme.
Oh, absolutely. That was one of my favorites. The blue fireworks were amazing.
Oh yes, I was stunned when they exploded in the sky. So bright and pretty.
You were still a little girl back then, running around with your friends.
I was 19. I was not that little. But yes, I was so hyper. I think I had a sugar rush from all of the candy.
Oh, you were always so full of energy. Still are, I see.
I know, right? I'm just so excited for tonight's show.
Me too. I'm hoping they'll have a bigger and better finale this year.
Oh, I bet they will. They always do. I wonder what theme they prepared this year.
I'm hoping for gold. Gold fireworks always look magical.
I'd love that too. It reminds me of the New Year's Eve parties we used to have at home.
those were the best. We'd watch the fireworks from the backyard with hot cocoa in our hands.
Yes, and you'd tell me stories about the stars and how the fireworks are like little pieces of the sky.
Those were magical nights. I'm glad we still do this together.
Me too, Grandma. It feels like we're making new memories every year.
Well, we sure are, and tonight we'll make even more.
Oh, here it goes. Look, Grandma, the first round of fireworks is starting.
Oh, wow! Look at those red ones, just like the ones we saw in Paris.
Yes, exactly. They remind me of our trip. It feels like we're there again.
Oh my, yes! Those were some unforgettable moments, weren't they?
Definitely. I still remember the smell of the fresh pastries we had after the show.
That sounds perfect. I can almost smell it now.
Grandma, you always bring up food.
Hey, food and fireworks go hand in hand, don't they?
You're right. Now I can't wait for the snacks after the show.
Oh, I know. I'll grab the ice cream from Mr. Tom's ice cream truck for us.
Yay! But first, let's enjoy the rest of the fireworks.
Of course.
Oh, Grandma, the fireworks show has started.
Sweetie, look at those sparkling silver ones. So elegant.
Oh, they are so elegant. What a great way to end a year.
Wow, they're forming a flower, a star, a heart. Oh my, the show is so beautiful. Wonder what do they have in store for the finale? I really do hope we have some golden fireworks.
Oh, you love the color gold so much.
It represents health, money, and fortune. Baby, it's everything we hope for.
Oh my gosh, look at that! The golden fireworks are here, just like we hoped.
Oh, darling, they're so stunning. I feel like I'm seeing the sky light up with magic.
It's absolutely beautiful, Grandma. I'm so happy we're here together.
Me too, my sweet girl. We've shared so many wonderful moments, and this is one of them.
Here's to more memories, Grandma, and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, darling. I wish you all the joy and happiness in the world.
Oops, sorry, it's so crowded here.
Ha, no worry. Everyone's here to enjoy the time together, right? I'm Mike.
Call me Anna.
Anna. Such a cute name. The energy is amazing, isn't it?
Definitely. The weather's so nice too. So what brought you here?
I'm just here to enjoy the fun and meet some new people. And you?
Same. I love the vibe here, and the performances are just great.
I can't wait to see what's next. Are you into these performances?
Oh, I love them. The singers are amazing, and the dancers are so talented.
I agree. I'm more into the games and activities. They look like so much fun.
I can totally see that. You're the active type, huh?
You bet. I love being part of the action, especially in a lively event like this.
I'm more of a spectator, but I'll join you for a dance later if you promise not to leave me behind.
Deal. I never leave a pretty girl behind. But I'm curious, can you keep up on the dance floor all night?
I'm ready for the challenge.
Oh wow, it's almost midnight. Look, the countdown's starting.
I can't believe it's already time. 3,
2.
1. Happy New Year! I hope this year brings us lots of happiness and new adventures.
Happy New Year. Let's make this year unforgettable.
Oh, wow, this smells amazing. The turkey is just perfect.
I'm glad you like them. It was my mom's secret recipe. This meal reminds me of my mom's cooking.
Aw, John. Yes, everything brings back so many memories. I love this time of year.
Me too. The food, the traditions, it's all so special. What a great way to end such a crazy year.
Exactly. We've been through so much, haven't we?
We sure have. But we made it through, and we're here, together. That's what matters.
To new beginnings, to love, and to all the beautiful memories we've created.
Cheers, my love. Here's to many more years of happiness and togetherness.
Cheers! I'm so grateful for you, for everything we've shared, and for all the joy this year will bring.
Me too, darling. No matter what happens, I know we'll always have each other.
And that's the best gift we could ask for.
I couldn't agree more. Let's make this year the best one yet.
With love, laughter, and a lot of great food.
Definitely. Happy New Year, my love.
Happy New Year, John. I'm so lucky to spend this night and every night with you.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, how are you going to celebrate New Year? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.